Okay, so I have a story that I read. It's really good. I really like it. So I'm going to sign it for you. So I'm the woman, and I was talking with my friend. We're setting up a blind date for myself. I was supposed to meet this man. I was fine. Okay, where? Oh, okay, we're going to go to the movie theater. So right there, I'll meet him. I'll just stand right next to the movie theater, and I'll meet him, and we'll go and watch the movies. Oh, okay, what does he look like? Oh, okay, that's what he looks like. Fine. Ooh, I'm excited. But I have a lot of homework. Oh, what to do? Okay, I'm going to go to the date, and then I'm just going to hold off on my homework and do that later. So I went. I was excited, just waiting, sitting there. Just waiting, nothing. Didn't see anybody. Then, oh, I saw someone, but it wasn't just one, it was two people. The man was with a girl, with a woman. Yeah, it was the man for the picture. Yeah, that's him. Oh, huh. Then they just watch right, didn't even look at me. They just walked right on by and they went in line for the ticket to buy tickets. Stood there. I'm just thinking, what? What's wrong with me? Is something wrong with me? I'm confused. Hold on a minute here. So I went over. Hey, what's up? We were supposed to be on a date. Why are you here with her? Guy turned around. He just turned around. What? I don't understand. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know anything about that. I don't know. Just gonna go buy the tickets and I'm gonna go watch the movie. Really? What? Oh, whatever. And they just argued. Oh, I'm just gonna go home. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go. No. Let's just go watch the movie. Whatever. And then slapped him on the face. And then she just left. And then I just looked at him like, what? Really? You're not gonna follow her? And then I got someone nudged me on my shoulder and I looked over. Oh my gosh, really? Twins? Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. I'm so sorry. Oh, that's fine. We can go watch the movie still. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Something to laugh about later on, huh? We went in, watched the movie, we finished. Then we left, and I just didn't understand how my friend didn't tell me. Oh, why that person left? Why? Why didn't you tell me that you guys were twins? Oh, I thought I gave you that information when we were setting up the date. Oh, I had no idea. And she left. That's what happened. Oh, I see. So you have to be careful on a blind date. You have to be careful, check to make sure that there's not another twin or they're twins.